Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to Our Gothic Garden. Today I will show you new developments in our garden, the progress on our path and many more things. Before I show you our new developments, let me share with you our vision for the Gothic Garden. These pictures were done by my friend Ala, and her drawings perfectly reflect all my dreams and visions about the garden. At the entrance, we will have an arbor, and it will be done today. The arbor is tall and wide enough to provide a perfect entrance to the garden. Close to the arbor, on both sides, we will have chandeliers hanging from the poles. But I will completely redo those chandeliers in two ways. First, I will remove the glass elements and replace them by the ones that I will do myself using black and silver crystal beads. Secondly, we will remove the elements where the electrical lights are supposed to be and replace these elements with solar-powered lights. I will show you a process of creating and installing these chandeliers in one of my future videos. On the far back of the garden, we will have a green wall that will be created by our grown laurel bushes. They are small right now. We will shape and trim these bushes in such a way that 3 Gothic shaped windows can be inserted between the green wall. We are also planning to do something exciting with these windows. They will be lighted and decorated. Stay tuned to our future videos about this project. This drawing shows some visions of the chandeliers that we will install in the Gothic garden, and another close-up of the chandelier, the pole, and a portion of the arbor. This picture shows some of the beads that I bought for the chandeliers in black and in silver. And I have already started creating the elements or hangings for these chandeliers that I will be using in my future videos. But let's now go back to the Gothic garden where we will be installing the arbor.